So today, we're talking pit bosses. Now, we're not talking about going to the casinos. We're talking about barbecue. Now, a lot of things that I've read about it is after a few years, the parts start to wear out a little bit. Well, this company gave us this for review, and I'm going to show you what it is. This would be a repair kit for a Pit Boss machine. Now, the cool thing about it is, and everything that you can see here that it comes with the fan motor, and it comes with the screws to be able to take out, because sometimes, you know, with heat and everything else, you'll strip the screws or whatever, trying to tear it apart. So it's really nice that they give you the screws that go with it. Now, some people may be asking, hey, how come you're not putting this on it? Because it's snowing outside and it's cold, and I decided to be here in the living room by the fire. But just to show you everything that goes along, there are two different motors with it. Now, when you get this set up, it's going to be easy for you to be able to use and be able to put together. Comes with the bucket. Now, this is where I hear a lot of guys that when they talk is that the fire bucket always kind of burns out first. Well, here's a great replacement for it, as you can see. Heavy duty steel, it weighs a lot. It's really nice looking. It comes with a new cord, and it comes with a temperature sensor. So if you have a Pit Boss, getting a couple of years, few years old, and it needs to be repaired, go here and get this.